Alright guys, what's going on? So in this video I'm going to help you solve number 2. So number 2 says, Jim runs a food cart and during a busy outdoor festival he sold 7,343 and 75 cents worth of food. He sells hot dogs for $2.95 and steak sandwiches for $9.95. If he sold a total of 985 items that day, how many hot dogs did he sell? Okay, so I'm going to use H for hot dogs and S for steak sandwiches. Okay, so for sure I know that number of hot dogs and sandwiches is gonna equal 985 because it says if he sold a total of 985 items that day, so that means the number of hot dogs and number of sandwiches is equal to 985. I also know that he made 7,343 and 75 cents worth. Okay, so that's how much he made. That's how much money he made when selling those two items. So, and if I know hot dogs are $2.95 each, that means I can multiply 295 times hot dogs plus, and sandwiches are $9.95 for steak sandwiches, then that is going to equal 7,343 and 75 cents. Okay, well, what I got here is two equations in standard form. So the best way to do that, just plug it into my calculator as matrices, right? So I can go to second, x to negative 1 for matrix, go over to edit, and I'm going to edit matrix A. So I'm going to go 2 by 3, right? 2 rows, 3 columns, right? And so my first equation coefficients are 1, 1, 985, right? So it's going to be 1, 1, 985, okay? And my second is going to be 2.95, then 9.95, and the last one is 7343.75. 7343.75, and hit enter. Okay, so after you do that second mode, guys, second mode, then go back to second, x to negative 1, go over to math, and go up for option B, RREF. Hit enter once, only hit enter once, go back to second, x to negative 1. We were dealing with matrix A. Okay, so my solution, hot dogs, right, because the H was first, is 351. So they want to know how many hot dogs, so it's going to be 351. That's how many hot dogs Jim has to sell in order to combine to make 985 items sold and a profit of 73.43.75.